Hey guys, this is Christoph from 5 Minute Charisma, and today I want to talk to you about the power of your voice. Now, our voice is the instrument that accompany our speech. We know our words are where most of our meaning come from, but the pitch, the intonation, the melody of our voice is very important. If our voice is monotonous and boring, people will not listen, will not pay attention, will not remember what we've said. While if our voice is a great instrument that we use to our maximum, people will memorize what we say. They will remember every word that we say. So we need to work on making our voice more interesting, more captivating, more fun. Our voice is like the melody that accompany a song. Imagine the words of the great Queen song Bohemian Rhapsody. If there was no melody to accompany it, those words would have been lost forever. But because the melody is so great, people sing it and will be remembered probably forever. So if your voice is a great instrument that brings melody to your words, then people will remember what you say. People will listen and won't listen again to what you say. So today we're gonna listen to a couple of clips from the movie Scent of a Woman. In there, Al Pacino has one of his greatest performances. He makes one of the best speech of any movie, and I highly recommend you watch the whole movie to get the context of the speech. And if you don't have time to watch the movie, at least click below on the link and watch the full speech. It is only 5 minutes long, and it's really worth it to listen to it. I'm gonna break down a couple of clips from that speech and show you how he uses his voice to win that Academy Award and to captivate his audience so that you can do the same thing. Follow me as I break down the first clip.
Mr. Sims, I will give you one final opportunity to speak on. Mr. Sims doesn't want it.
So right off the bat, one thing he does very well is that he enunciates every word he is saying. If you want people to listen to you, you have to make it as easy as possible for them to understand your words. So you need to speak slowly, you need to enunciate very well, and you need to speak them correctly, pronounce the word correctly, and people will listen to you a little more. If they have a hard time understanding what you're saying, if your words are not correct, or if they're mashed together, people will tune it out. It is the big enemy of people listening to you. Speak slowly and clearly.
He doesn't need to be labeled still worthy of being a bad man. What the hell is that? What is your motto here?
Now listen to him. He speaks very slowly, but one thing that he does very well is that as he finishes his phrase, his tones goes down deeper into deeper voice. This gives you gravitas. This makes people want to listen more to what you have to say because it gives you authority. You want to make sure when you're speaking, you're finishing your phrase deeper and louder than what you started, so that it gives people a feeling of sense of a call to action, that you're going to tell them what to do and makes them want to listen to you and do what you have to say. So make sure you do that as you finish your words and your phrase. Go deeper into your voice, go louder, but go deeper, and he does that very well.
Boys, inform on your classmates, save your hide. Anything short of that, we're gonna burn you at the stake. Well, gentlemen, when the shit hits the fan, some guys run and some guys stay.
And here, he's using his voice as an instrument. You can tell, he's going very loud and then he's going lower. Then he's going very high pitch and then he's going very deep. He's making a lot of movement. He goes fast, he goes slow. And that makes it very interesting to listen to you. It's like a good melody. There's a lot of variation, a lot of different instruments, a lot of different melodies. Your biggest enemy is monotony. You don't want your voice and your speech to be monotonous. People will not listen to that. They hate it. They tune it out. So make sure you change your pace. Change the strength of your voice, your loudness, your tone. Make it vary, and that will make it interesting and people are more likely to listen to it. Listen to what he does, how he does it.
Here's Charlie facing the fire, and there's George hiding in Big Daddy's pocket. And what are you doing? You're gonna reward George and destroy Charlie.
Thank you for listening. If you liked this video, please share and subscribe. It really helps me when you do that, and I will see you in the next video.